Welcome back to another quick tutorial about Google Sheet. And in today's video, I will show you how to convert your Google Sheet file to PDF or how you can export your Google Sheet file as PDF. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File right here. So go ahead and click on File right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Download. Then from Download, go ahead and click on PDF right here. And this is going to pump up right here. So you have your page right here. So you can work on the layout right here. You can also switch to landscape as the case may be. Then you have different width to width, and you can do your proper setting right here. It's 100%. So you have all the pages right here. Okay. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on formatting right here. Show grid lines, show notes as the case may be. And you can also check on headers and footer. So click on that, then you can add header and you can add page numbers, work title, then you can also add sheet name, current dates, and the time as the case may be. Edit custom field, row and column headers, you can leave those area as it is. Then margin, go ahead and put it in normal right here. Then once you are done with all the proper settings right here, you can see all the sheet file right there. We can zoom out, so this can enable us to see all the file right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on export right here, and in a few seconds you can see downloading PDF, and this is going to pump up right here. Lastly, we go ahead and then we click on save right here, and the file is going to be saved successfully into our download folder, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how to use Google Sheets, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you